Hello everyone, this is Pawan Kumar from Learn Digital Academy. In this session, we will discuss about topic called a eraser tool. Eraser tool shortcut key is there E guys. Why I want to use the eraser tool means you want to erase everything using this eraser tool. First, I want to go to the file menu and I want to select a open. When I want to select open, then guys I want to select like this background. I want I want to open this background. Here I want to open the lock first. When I want to open the lock, that time you want to come to the toolbar. In the toolbar you want to select the eraser tool, and here I want to increase my brush size. Okay, decrease my brush size, and you want to just guys you want to erase like this. When I want to erase like this, that time you want to see guys it is deleted, erasing my everything my home. After that guys, what is the next tool it is there, that is called a background eraser tool. When I want to select my background eraser tool, that time you want to see in option bar these three options is very important. First option it is there guys, sampling continuous. When I want to select the sampling continuous, it is working for like a normal eraser type. When it is working for a normal eraser type, that is called a this tool, that is sampling continuous. Next you want to select sampling once. When you want to select the sampling once, and guys you want to see here, you want to select this table yellow color and don't release your mouse button. You want to select this yellow color, don't release your mouse button, and you can erase it. Means that time my this fruits and this plate is not erasing. Which color you want to select, that color only it is erasing. When you want to release your mouse button, again you want to select, that time my this plate color is selected. Where is that plate color? It is the pink color. The plate color is called a pink color. The pink color it is there, that color only it is deleted. Like that type you want to use this option guys, that is called a sampling once. Okay, next sampling background. Suppose guys I want to select my eyedropper tool and I want to select this red color. Okay, what is this? This is called a foreground color. The black color is called a background color. I want to swap this front and back. After that guys I want to select my eraser tool, and in that eraser tool I want to select my background eraser. Then I want to select like this. When I want to select like this type, that time you want to see guys my background color is the red. Where is the my red color? It is there, that color only it is erasing. Like that type you want to use this option guys, that is called a background erase content. And you want to come to the here, that is called a magic eraser tool. When I want to select the magic eraser tool, then guys nothing is there. Which color you want to select? Just guys I want to click on this yellow color. Yellow color is deleted. See, just you want to click on the color, that color is deleted. Like that type you want to use this option guys, that is called a magic eraser tool. This type you want to use this eraser tool, background eraser tool and magic eraser tool. Hope the session was informative. We'll catch you up next session.